Good afternoon. Today is 26th of July, and my name is Nagnath Bhagwan Rao Banate, and today we will going to discuss about methods of string used in Java. So let's start. So first of all, I tell about what is string. So string is an object in Java, and it is used to represent the group of characters in a group of characters sequentially. So let's see the some methods of string we used in Java. So first method is a length method. The length method is used to finding the number of characters in the string. That means the number of characters or count of that characters. So let's say the next method. Next method is a caret. Caret method is used to finding the character at the specific index, a specific position. That means it uses the index as a parameter or a number as a parameter, and it returns the character at that index. So let's see the next method. The next method is to uppercase. This method is used to convert all the small letters in the strings to as a uppercase. That means the small letters is to convert it into the capital letters in all the strings. So let's see the next method to lowercase. This method is vice versa of uppercase. That means all the characters in the strings which are in uppercase are converted into the lowercase. That means is converted all the capital letters into the small letters. So let's see the next method, split method. Split method is used to split the string into the specified character. That means it requires the character as a input in a method as parameter, and split that string into that specified characters, and converted the array of strings or strings of array. So let's see the next method, trim method. So trim method is used to remove the blank spaces from starts, remove the white spaces of first occurrence of characters and from last occurrence of characters. That means it trim the string with the start and from the ends. That means whenever our first character is not going to visit, all the white spaces are removed from that strings, and similar to the at the end characters. So this is the trim method. So let's see the next method, to char array. This method is used to convert all the strings into character array. That means it is used to convert the strings into character array. All the characters in the strings are stored in the character array with the same size of character array is created. So let's see the next method. The next method is a equal method. This equal method is used to compare the contents in the strings. That means content in the strings that which have if the contents in the strings are both the strings are equals, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So let's see the next method. The next method is compare to ignore case. This method is used to compare the strings lexicographically but it does not compare with the case sensitivity, but is not check the case sensitivity. That means it does not return false where the capital A or small a when it compare with the capital A or small a. That means it cannot compare the case of that letter or character. So let's see the next method is a compare method. This method is used to compare the strings lexicographically, and it returns the difference between that characters. If the number of characters is the same, then it returns the difference between the length of that strings. So let's see the next method. So I think this is the some methods of strings we are used in actual when we're doing the program. So I can stop here. Thank you so much.